Welcome everybody, this is V Worldwide. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Sony Handycam, it's a tripod, it's a long box, so VCT-R640 tripod. So I'm having trouble. The one I'm using right now, it's just unstable. It's small. I unboxed it on my channel. It's the Retract Bluetooth tripod. You know, it has a little Bluetooth key fob where you can take pictures and stuff, but it's just not working for me. I need something with a little more stability, so I'm going to try this one out and see if it works. So let's bust this open. Let's see what's inside here. So I'm actually going to aim this up a little bit if I can, and I will get in it. It's right here. So, let's see what else is in the box. So, that's all that's in the box. Just a tripod here. So give me a second, I'm going to set it up. Line it up. Here we go. Inside. Some instructions there. Get to those later. Here we go. Oh, this is nice. Got swivel, pivot, little level there. Well, it should work out nicely. I think I'll just use the adapter from the Retract though on that. There we go. Adjustable legs, little clamps there. Oh wow, there we go, a little telescoping. That's nice. This should work out perfect for the channel. So there you have it, Sony VCT-R640 tripod. Let me get a little closer there for you. That is nice. So it should work fine. Little level tool there. Leg clamps. So let me know what you think down below. Like, comment, subscribe, please. This is V, and I am out. That is my old tripod. It's really flimsy. This is the new one. I took the adapter off of here and I put it on here. There's a little button on this. I don't know what it's for exactly. I mean, some of you camera guys might know, but there was a button sticking up there. I had to put a piece of tape on it so I can screw this down. But it works fine. Seems like it's really sturdy. Looks like that is going to be one good tripod. I'll give you a better look at this here. So we got the angle down. We got here. Telescoping here. Legs have clamps, so two height adjustments. So adjustment here, that comes out there. And then another adjustment, the legs, even the telescope's even more there. And of course it folds up for easy storage. Here's for the adapter. You pop that off, this thing comes off here. Again, this came off of my old tripod. It's an adapter. Saved the money from having to go buy another one. This looks like this is a pretty solid tripod though.